Hey, good morning. I just arrived and I found out that my temporary cistern was had a little hole in it, like right there, because it was sitting on dirt, and the dirt obviously is not equal, right? So right here. So that's why I built the slab, so I just need to fix it. So this way I'm gonna have it even closer to my water return, who's right here. So this week, this time I'm gonna finish plumbing. I have it scheduled, so that's gonna be done, and then finish. I will try to finish as well the balcony here. So right now, last time Will and Serena only did the truss or whatever, the post that goes behind in between, right? And then so we'll finish that, and then I'll do the same thing here. Finish it here. Solidified everything with bolts, 316 marine grade, whatever. So this way it's not gonna rust, and so you can see the difference between type of metals. See, this one here is 316 and this one is the standard stuff. So, and obviously I need to also change some of the screw that I use to have the better one, the one that goes like, that is better. So that's about it. So Mike just came. He's gonna help Andrea digging his septic, just like he did mine last time. So we got the approval to get the other septic, because obviously there's a mangrove in between us, right there. I don't know if you see it, but yeah, there's a mangrove, and they didn't want us to put like pipe that cross it. So so that's what we'll do. So we're digging, and then gonna dig over there. That's good. So I'm almost done. Look at that. So it's a 2x8, 16 in the center, and the screw that I'm using is stainless steel, right? So and of course the beach.